Yeah, we're here on location, State Line Power mobile propane unit. This particular model is an SF30. This is available in several different configurations on the propane side, and we also have diesel models available. Over here we have storage at the front of the trailer. You can keep cables, anything you need in there, maintenance items. That goes all the way through to the other side, so very beneficial. We have 3 jacks on this trailer for leveling, which is very convenient. 3 onboard tanks. This is equipped to run with propane vapor. On this unit we have vapor, propane. We have our vents, tank vents exited outside of the enclosure there. And can you tell me what kind of port that is?
This is our 1 3/4 standard Acme fitting that is used by all retail propane companies on their bobtails to fill on site.
And that will fill all 3 tanks at the same time.
Correct. There's 90 gallons of storage on this unit, and we have 400 gallons of auxiliary storage connected to it right now.
What kind of economy can we expect on this unit?
Depending on the load, at a very, very low load, about 1 gallon per hour, up to 3 gallons per hour.
So we sell these as 30 hour fuel capacity. So as you can see, you can get better economy out of them at lower loads. This particular model has lifting eyes on the top. Emergency stop button located at the back, so if you do get yourself in a situation you have to shut it off quickly, you can do it by simply opening up that cover and pushing the button in, and that immediately shuts off all power to the generator and shuts the engine down. On this side we have our breakers, and this is our master battery disconnect. Now before we do anything, this unit right here is a multi-voltage select, and this will be single phase or 3-phase power, all the way from 208 to 480 volt. Before we start the unit, we do have to double check here to see what our power is selected for. This unit is equipped with a switch that does show you can select voltage for whatever configuration that you're using it in. In this case here, we are selecting a 240 120 volt single phase. This is also equipped with a lock, so when you engage the lock, you can put a padlock or whatever locking device you need for either tagging the unit out, lock out, tag out, etc. And that will prevent the switch from being changed from its position. Come over here and make sure we have the right breaker on. We can start by turning the power, main power on. Since we are going to a single phase, that would be this switch, which is for the 240 single phase. The other breaker is going to be for 480 3-phase only, which has to be off during your operation if you're running in single phase or any of those 3 voltages. Let's go ahead and connect our power to the building. we have the 50 amp twist lock style connectors for a single phase, and that is equipped with 2. And we've also got, for your convenience, we have cam locks available for either the 3-phase side or the single phase side, of course in all the voltage configurations. This one is equipped with a shore plug for connecting external power. We've got 5 120 receptacles on the back. The left side is for single phase and 3-phase 120/240 operation only, and the ones on the right are for all voltages. Now let's go ahead and start the unit. So we have a switch that shuts off the control panel, and as you can see, there's also a emergency stop button. Up above that is your check engine light, or your diagnostic trouble light, and right next to it you see a knob that says voltage adjust. When you go to a 208 voltage, you turn that to adjust the voltage accordingly to match the voltage output. This particular unit is equipped with a Basler 2020. There are several control panel model options available. We'll go ahead and start this unit. And now we are supplying voltage to this building, and we have that connected to the twist lock on the side of the building. The voltages are shown on the control panel display, and this particular one is running at 239 volts, 60 hertz, and it's pulling 7 amps. Maintenance is very simple. The oil drain and coolant drains are convenient right here on the side of the unit. You can just hook up a hose and drain right into your drain pan. Standing in front of this unit, radiator end, this is how quiet this is. We're speaking at normal conversation levels. This unit is about 73 decibels from where we're standing, which is from here to there.